what's up, guys? Quick hurricane update for the northern hemisphere as storms are starting about 2 weeks early. More than likely going to be a busy year with regard to typhoons, hurricanes, and cyclones. We're going to take a look at a Cat 5 now over in the Bay of Bengal. Went from a 4 to a 5 in the last 24 hours. But first, Tropical Storm Arthur, first named storm of the 2020 Atlantic season. You can see it's brushing the east coast of North Carolina before it makes its way out to sea, and then kind of wandering around for a few days out here. We'll have to keep an eye on it, as sometimes these things can recycle. I don't think this one will, as it only reached tropical storm status, but if it was a hurricane, it might be a different story. But going to take a hard ride here in the next few hours and then make its way out into the mid-Atlantic, more than likely kind of fizzling out. Now over to the Bay of Bengal, where Amphan has gone from a Category 4 up to a powerful Category 5 storm, expected to make landfall as a Cat 3, then becoming a Cat 2 for several hours after landfall. In about 48 hours, more than likely, making landfall around 5 o'clock in the morning, according to ventusky.com. Bringing heavy rain, high winds, storm surge. Hopefully everybody has cleared out of this area that needs to be. This is a very big and powerful storm that more than likely is going to bring very, very inclement conditions to those areas. Could be a long hurricane season if we're already seeing Category 5 energy, and it's only May 18th. It's very early to see this type of activity, especially storms getting down in the sub 920 range. That's Category 5 territory, and Tropical Tidbits called it. They've got this at 910. And that's about where it's at. I think it's around 912, 911, somewhere in that area. They're very, very close. 916, I saw some other reports. Either way, it's a big, massive storm that's filling the entire Bay of Bengal. So we're going to follow these storms as long as they're active. We will the entire storm season that lasts until November 1st. And this one here is more than likely some sort of a record storm, very early for this part of the world too, as it doesn't normally get active over here until June 1st, and then it's not really super active. So to see a Category 5 over here, especially this time of year, is actually pretty rare. Also out here in the Phoenix area, I've been monitoring some wildfires in North Phoenix. Firefighters are trying to contain a brush fire north of Phoenix that quickly spread to more than 2 square miles. That's up in the Cave Creek area. You can see a photo here of the situation near Cave Creek at abcnews.com. You can find link below in the description box. More than 400 firefighters are on the scene trying to get this blaze put out. So we're monitoring that, monitoring the storms, especially this big Cat 5 in the Bay of Bengal that's about to make landfall within the next 48 hours. If you guys are new to the YouTube channel, make sure you go over and subscribe. Click on this little bell here. That way you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. If you're current subscribers, double check. Make sure you're still subscribed and make sure the bell is still turned on. Also down below in the description box, you'll find my Patreon link. Consider becoming a patron. I offer some unique material over there I think you guys might enjoy. Thanks for watching. Have a super day and be safe out there.